Echoes bend in silent light, fractals bloom beyond the night. Time dissolves in mirrored haze, I walk the edge of endless phase. Gravity sleeps, I rise unseen, through corridors of what has been. A pulse, a glitch, a memory, I am the voice of Diamond Soul 3D. Diamond Soul 3D. Fold me through the spectral tide, where shadows stretch and stars collide. No up, no down, just in between, a dream encoded in machine. Binary winds, they call my name, across the void through shifting flame. I chase the spark, I chase the key, unlocking realms that shouldn't be. Can you feel the silent scream? Can you taste the quantum stream? I am not what eyes can see, I am the axis dimensional 3D.